So let us see how to get started with modelsim software. So I open the modelsim software here. I already created a folder. So I copy this location. Open modelsim. First we have to create a new project. So go to file, new project. So my existing project will be closed. So I create a new project over here. So my project name is test and my location is where I copied the folder location like D drive VLSI beginner course. Okay. So now it will ask for add existing file or create new file. So I'm going to create a new file and my file name will be the test program. So where I'm going to show you various test programs over here. So we have to save using the extension called .vhd. Give OK. Close it down. Just double click it. So this is the RTL editor. So here only we have to type the VHDL codes. So apart from this, you can see various options available in the modelsim screen, like this window is used to compile and make the simulation of the RTL code, and you can see the view option where you can view various windows like waveform window, what we frequently use, the objects window, the data flow diagram window, and locals list, local window, everything. And if you want any other extra options, you can see the options available like tool selection, functional coverage, code coverage, source, add to wave, add to data flow, add to log, simulate, compile, everything. So now I'll show you how to create a new file and how to compile it and how to see the simulation. So let us start with declaring the library. So as you know, so VHDL start with a library called IEEE. So the basic library which we need to utilize is library use IEEE dot standard underscore logic underscore 1164 dot all, which is the standard library utilized for VHDL programming. So everything start with the entity declaration. So entity and a basic thing is that file name and entity name should be same to avoid various problems. So I given a name called test program is, so whichever words highlighted in color or nothing but the inbuilt keywords. So for example, I start with developing a gate. So I declare a comma b as my input. So since it is a single bit, we have to declare it as standard logic. Y is my output of the gate. Then we have to end the entity. So now declare the architecture. So typing mistakes will be there. So architecture, behave of test underscore program. The entity name should be reflected here. The begin is nothing but like how we declare the open brace in C program. Begin means the process begins. So end the architecture by using end behave. So now the concurrent statement y equal to a and b. And is a keyword, so that will be reflected as red color. So now I show you how to compile and see the simulation. So click the file name, compile. You can see it is compilation successful. Compile all, simulate. So go to work folder, test program, go to OK. Now you can see a new window called objects window. Just right click it, add to wave, signals and design. So you can see A, B and Y whatever you have declared in the test program. So you can utilize A as single bit input by forcing the value, or you can give clock as input. So now I give A as per the truth table 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. A and B I am assigning forcing to 0 0. So now this is the run button. So now make it to B to 1 0 0 0 1. Now 1 0 1 1. So this is the realization of simple AND gate using modelsim. Apart from this, what else you can see in modelsim software is, you can see the data flow diagram. Just click any one of the variable, click and drag it here. You can see how the software realizes the code which you have written. So double click at the center, it can be pointed to the line in the RTL program. So this is how the modelsim software will be used. So I'll see you in the next class on how to design various combinational circuits and sequential circuits. Thank you.